Have you ever caught yourself daydreaming about a life that feels just out of reach? Maybe it's that dream job, financial freedom, or finding true love. Whatever it is, it often feels like it's always one step away. But what if I told you that the gap between where you are now and where you want to be could be closed in just 48 hours? Yes, you heard that right. Just 2 days to start seeing real, tangible changes in your life. Bob Proctor, one of the most influential voices in personal development, has cracked the code on how to make this happen. And it's not some complicated process that only a few can understand. It's something you can do, starting right now, regardless of where you are or what you've been through. Imagine waking up the day after tomorrow, and everything you've been longing for is suddenly within your grasp. In this video, I'm going to guide you through Bob Proctor's powerful method to manifest anything you desire in just 48 hours. And trust me, this isn't just about wishful thinking. This is about real change, the kind that leaves you feeling empowered and in control of your life. So if you're ready to turn those daydreams into reality, stay with me, because your life is about to change in ways you never imagined possible. Before we jump into the specifics, it's crucial to understand what manifestation truly is. At its core, manifestation is the process of turning your thoughts into reality. It's not about wishful thinking or daydreaming. It's about harnessing the energy of your thoughts and aligning them with your deepest desires. The principle behind this is the law of attraction, which states that like attracts like. In other words, the energy you emit through your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs attracts similar energy back into your life. Think of your mind as a powerful magnet. When you focus on positive, high-vibration thoughts, you attract positive experiences and outcomes. Conversely, if your mind is clouded with negativity or doubt, you'll draw more of the same into your life. Bob Proctor emphasizes that manifestation isn't a passive process. It requires intentionality, alignment, and action. You are not merely a spectator in your life. You are the creator, and the reality you experience is a reflection of your inner world. Step 1. Achieving clarity of desire. The first step in manifesting anything in 48 hours is achieving absolute clarity about what you want. This might sound simple, but it's where most people stumble. Vague desires lead to vague results. For example, instead of saying, "I want to be successful," be specific. "I want to start my own online business and earn $10,000 per month by the end of this year." The more detailed your desire, the easier it becomes for your mind and the universe to align with that goal. Clarity is like setting the GPS for your life. If you don't know exactly where you want to go, how can you expect to get there? Take some time to define your desires with precision. Write them down. Visualize them. The clearer you are, the stronger your manifestation process will be. Step 2. Visualization. Creating a mental reality. Once you've achieved clarity, it's time to visualize your desire as if it has already come to fruition. Visualization is more than just seeing an image in your mind's eye. It's about creating a vivid, sensory-rich experience of your goal. Close your eyes and imagine yourself living your dream. What do you see? What do you hear? What do you feel? Engage all your senses to make this mental picture as real as possible. Bob Proctor teaches that the subconscious mind cannot distinguish between real and imagined experiences. By visualizing your desires with intense emotion and detail, you're essentially programming your subconscious to believe that these desires are already part of your reality. This, in turn, sends out powerful vibrations into the universe, drawing your desired outcomes toward you. Step 3. Affirmations. Reprogramming your subconscious mind. Next, it's time to harness the power of affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that reflect your desires and intentions. They serve as a tool to reprogram your subconscious mind, replacing limiting beliefs with empowering ones. For instance, if your goal is financial abundance, you might affirm, "I am a magnet for wealth and prosperity. Money flows to me effortlessly and consistently." The key to effective affirmations is repetition and emotional intensity. Don't just recite them mindlessly. Feel the truth of these statements deep within you. Affirmations should resonate with your core, creating a sense of certainty that your desires are not just possible but inevitable. And speaking of attracting wealth effortlessly, if you're ready to start seeing real results today, I've got something special for you. Check the link in the comments below to uncover the shocking wealth secrets revealed by a rogue NASA scientist. This could be the game changer you've been waiting for. But for now, let's continue our journey. Step 4. Emotional alignment. The secret sauce. Emotional alignment is often the missing piece in the manifestation puzzle. It's not enough to simply think about what you want. You must feel it on a visceral level. Emotions are the fuel that powers your manifestation engine. When you align your emotions with the feeling of already having what you desire, you accelerate the manifestation process. Practice gratitude for your desired outcome as if it's already happened. Feel the joy, excitement, and satisfaction that comes with achieving your goal. These emotions elevate your vibrational frequency, aligning you with the reality you wish to create. Remember, the universe responds to the energy you emit, so make sure your emotions are in harmony with your desires. Step 5. Inspired action. The catalyst for manifestation. Manifestation isn't about sitting back and waiting for things to happen. It requires taking inspired action. This means listening to your intuition and acting on the opportunities that present themselves. When you receive a hunch or a nudge to do something that aligns with your goal, don't hesitate. Act on it immediately. Inspired action is different from regular action because it's driven by a deep inner knowing. It's like receiving a roadmap from the universe that guides you directly to your desired outcome. These actions may seem small or insignificant at first, but they are crucial steps on your manifestation journey. Trust that each inspired action is leading you closer to your goal. Step 6. Letting go. Trusting the process. The final step in this manifestation process is perhaps the most challenging, letting go. After you've done the work, achieved clarity, visualized, affirmed, aligned emotionally, and taken action, you must release your attachment to the outcome. This doesn't mean giving up on your desire. Rather, it's about trusting that the universe is working in your favor. Letting go is akin to planting a seed in the ground. Once it's planted, you don't dig it up every day to check if it's growing. You trust that with the right conditions, sunlight, water, and time, it will sprout and flourish. The same principle applies to manifestation. Once you've set your intention and done the work, trust that your desire is on its way to you. Common pitfalls in manifestation and how to avoid them. As powerful as this process is, there are common pitfalls that can hinder your manifestation efforts. One major obstacle is a lack of clarity. If your desires are vague, the universe cannot deliver precise results. Ensure that your goals are specific, measurable, and time-bound. Doubt and negative thinking are other significant barriers. These lower your vibrational frequency, creating resistance that blocks your desires from manifesting. Whenever you catch yourself doubting, counter it with positive affirmations and remind yourself of your worthiness. Impatience can also derail your manifestation journey. The universe operates on its own timeline, and acting out of desperation only pushes your desires further away. Stay patient, trust the process, and maintain a high vibration. Finally, inconsistency in your manifestation practice can lead to lackluster results. Manifestation is like building a muscle. It requires daily effort and commitment. Make these practices a part of your daily routine, and you'll start to see profound changes in your life. To illustrate the power of this process, let me share the story of Sarah, a woman who was struggling with financial instability. She decided to follow Bob Proctor's 48-hour manifestation technique, focusing on attracting financial abundance into her life. She became crystal clear about her desire, visualizing herself living in financial freedom, affirming her worthiness to receive wealth, and aligning her emotions with the joy of financial security. Within 48 hours, Sarah received an unexpected job offer that paid double her previous salary. This opportunity came out of the blue, but it was a direct result of the clarity, emotional alignment, and inspired action she had put into her manifestation practice. Sarah's story is a testament to the fact that when you align your thoughts, emotions, and actions, the universe responds in miraculous ways. In conclusion, your manifestation journey begins now. Manifesting anything you desire in just 48 hours might sound like magic, but it's rooted in principles that have been practiced by countless successful individuals. Bob Proctor's method is a powerful, focused approach that requires clarity, visualization, affirmations, emotional alignment, inspired action, and trust in the process. Now, it's your turn. Take these steps and apply them to your own life. Start with something small, and as you see results, build your confidence to manifest bigger and more significant desires. The power to create the life you've always wanted is in your hands. Why wait? Your 48-hour transformation starts now. If this video resonated with you and you're ready to take control of your destiny, don't forget to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more life-changing content. Remember, the universe is always listening, so start manifesting your dreams today.